Okay, welcome back, guys. So today I will show you how to create this wedding trending wedding invitation card on your Android smartphone using Bingo websites. Bingo website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. In order to design this wedding invitation card, this trending wedding invitation card, there are two steps to follow. The first step is to come to your Chrome browser, then you um search for Bing image creator. So after searching for it, the first one that will pop up, tap on it, then it will take you to the website. So when you get to the website, then you type. The second step to achieve that is to give it a prompt. So we are typing this, we are not copying anything. So let's say we want to say caricature. Okay, caricature wedding invitation card. So let me use my name, caricature wedding invitation card with Umar. Okay, Umar. Card. Let's say card. Umar with. Okay. Let's say Amina and Aminat. Okay, very good. Then you click create. So let's see the magic. Let's see the magic. So this is a trending wedding invitation card. We are waiting for that. So if you give us result, you can see the magic. See the magic. So it will put the name Umar at one place, then put Amina at the other place for us to see. So we can now look at it and see the one we actually wanted. So I tap on this Umar Amina. Very cool. So I can go with this. This is one. So this second one. So Umar Amina. If I don't want this, we look at this Amina. Minat. This is customize. I can tap on this if I want. Still go with another one. This one doesn't have a name. So what do I need to do next? I can still recreate. So you wait. You can quickly generate this in less than a few minutes or seconds. Okay, perfect. Result is out. So this is another one. So you can see Aminat. Okay. Okay, this is cool. I love this as well. You can download. Okay, very perfect. So I love this. You can save this as well. I love this as well. Caricature with Amina. This is cool as well. This is cool. So we can still regenerate. You can continue doing this until when you see the one you actually wanted that really caught your attention. So you look at the name as well. Okay, perfect. These are another one as well. So when you marry, okay, so let's look at this. So Amina, okay, this is perfect. So you can actually save them, depends on the one you want. So I believe we'll learn something from it. Let's view it so you can see these are the things we have saved. Thanks for watching. God bless you.